entire world seems to be asking the same question. Where is Spider-Man?
About that spider guy. Bet he's disappeared. Seems like everybody really needs him. Where you going?
No! God, please, no! No! No!
So check out this one. 2020 rsv4. One just like mine, just a little different. I want to get all up close and personal with it. Got the Acura on there. Mine has a SC. Mine doesn't have the bracket either, but I believe, yeah, this is a foldable one too. Look at that, foldable. I think this is Right Smart's one, but it's like everything with the black wheels on there, but mine are gold. I think I'm more of a fan of the black. I mean, of my gold, because it matches the forks more. My forks more. That's the same as this. Crazy. I haven't seen my bike like ever, like in person. Like, I'm pretty sure I'm the only one that has like the 2020 model. Yeah, I believe it's Right Smart stuff here. That's what they all the tracks and stuff. They got the tracks out. I believe this is Coda. But the one I went to was here, the MSR. That's my first track I went to. But man, they got some nice, beautiful things up here, dude. R1 action. Another R1. Another one. Another one. Like this one though. All that front carbon on there. Yeah. Straight pipe too. The rear hugger is carbon. Carbon on here. It's a nice little dealership. They got a lot of nice little bikes out here and everything. I do know if you guys are like tuned in with the wheel, tell them that, you know, I don't know how he says it on his videos, but bro, come tap in, bro. They got a lot of nice little section. MCL7 out here. Got some more. I think that's a 3 over there. They got a Z. Got a lot of Gixxers, which I won't even count because ill. But yeah. Hello there.
Oh shit, how you doing? This is my bike.
Oh, right here?
Yeah, you fuck with it?
Oh, all carbon, huh? Sheesh. It's all you right here, huh?
That's all me.
Yeah. Nah, though, yo, we at the used bikes direct, though. Look at how many people that came out. Oh, I'm still trying to work this camera, y'all. All these people that's out here, though. Got a few more people over here. Got some more ones out here. You got 1199 right here. Some other stuff out here. 66R. Got an H2 out here too, man. Got H2, man. Sheesh. H2 looking beautiful. Then we got oh my, jeez. The first one in Houston too. First one. Jesus. I think it's nice. $80,000. I don't think I can ever pay that much for a bike. But it's nice though. That paint, that paint is different. It like the camera doesn't know justice. It's different though. We got a lot of bikes out here though, man. It's probably the biggest event that's been to Used Bikes Direct so far. I think it's like the 3rd weekend that they posted meet here. It's every Saturday and it's like a Grom giveaway that you get entered through a raffle. We got the man Notorious bike out here too. Got my man Junior bike out here. Got that boy CK Spazzin bike out here, man. Got a V4. purple S1K with carbon on there. Sheesh. Got a Doug. Ogen S1K. New gen. I think this is like the 2021 model. A lot more people over here too. Got the S1K. Got Unknown's bike out here. Some more people back there and stuff. Oh, these bikes, man. Got some R6s out here, 3. Got a Gixxer. Got a 10. Got the man Chris out here. Got JP out here with the new wrap too. I think the last time y'all seen JP on the channel, he had his pink wrap on. Got my bike out here. We'll take y'all inside though. Take y'all more inside. Everything inside, man. Everybody out here. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we are currently stuck in the middle of the damn highway. Yep. We are literally stuck on the highway here. Don't know what's wrong with the bike. The bike's just making clicking noises from here, whatever this is here. Or that is, I don't know. I think it's my relay, my starter relay. But we're literally in front of the Lambo dealership in the Porsche. Come over here, come give me some money. What?
The car just flew off when I'm sitting right here, nigga. For all that wind. Fuck that.
So yeah, we're just currently here just... Oh man. Is it really worth having an Aprilia? That's my question now. Probably gonna do a video like that now. Is it worth having an Aprilia?
Fuck Aprilia.
Not too much.
Yo, don't buy an Aprilia, bro.
Not too much. So, I've been timestamped. I've been here for like 3 hours. Still waiting for someone to come. I think they're on their way. Have someone coming, but yeah, we'll figure it out. Yep.
Yeah, bro, I don't like this bike. I feel like I'm too big.
All right, so we just found some help. Shout out to one of the friends hooking this up. Just got the bike loaded in. Finna head to Moto 10, get it all situated, and then yeah, pick up when you guys when we're there.